What if I told you OpenAI just took a page out of Nvidia's playbook and it could change the balance of power in the AI world forever? OpenAI just announced a massive collaboration with Broadcom to design and deploy 10 gigawatts of custom AI accelerators. That's not just another chip deal. This is OpenAI saying, we're done waiting for others to build our future. In this video, I'll break down what this partnership actually means, why it's a huge deal for the global AI race, and how it could completely reshape the hardware landscape. Let's start with what just happened. On October 13th, 2025, OpenAI and Broadcom dropped a bombshell. They're teaming up to build custom accelerators designed entirely by OpenAI and manufactured by Broadcom. These aren't your regular AI chips. We're talking about hardware built specifically for frontier AI models, the same kind of models that power ChatGPT, DALL-E, SORA, and whatever comes next. By designing its own chips, OpenAI can finally embed what it's learned from years of model training directly into the silicon. That means more efficiency, lower latency, and hardware that's literally optimized for the way their neural networks think. To give you some scale, 10 gigawatts of AI compute is insane. That's roughly enough energy to power 7 million homes, and OpenAI plans to deploy these systems across its own facilities and partner data centers worldwide. Broadcom isn't just the builder here, it's the backbone. They're providing Ethernet, PCIe, and optical connectivity solutions, essentially building the nervous system that lets these AI racks talk to each other at lightning speed. Broadcom's CEO Hock Tan called this partnership a pivotal moment in the pursuit of artificial general intelligence. And honestly, he's not exaggerating. Because this move signals one thing loud and clear. OpenAI isn't just a software company anymore. It's becoming a full-stack AI infrastructure powerhouse. Now, let's talk about why OpenAI had to do this. The world's biggest bottleneck in AI right now isn't data, it's hardware. The demand for GPUs, especially Nvidia's, has exploded. We're in a global chip shortage that's slowing down AI research, limiting deployment, and making training costs skyrocket. Training models like GPT-4 reportedly took tens of thousands of Nvidia GPUs and cost hundreds of millions of dollars in compute alone. So OpenAI had a choice: keep depending on Nvidia and hope supply catches up, or start designing their own accelerators and take control of their destiny. They chose the second option. And Broadcom is the perfect partner for that. They've been quietly dominating the networking and connectivity layer of the semiconductor world, the part that ties thousands of chips together into one coherent brain. This isn't OpenAI's first big infrastructure play either. Earlier this year, they partnered with Microsoft to expand global data centers. Then came rumors of OpenAI-designed silicon to reduce reliance on Nvidia. And now, this collaboration confirms it. By embedding AI logic directly into chips, OpenAI is closing the gap between software intelligence and physical hardware. Think of it like this. Until now, OpenAI was teaching AI models how to think. Now they're teaching the hardware itself how to think smarter. These chips won't just be faster, they'll be context-aware, model-optimized, and massively scalable across data centers. It's also worth noting how energy fits into this picture. 10 gigawatts of AI power means massive electricity demands, something even governments are struggling to manage. So part of this move is OpenAI future-proofing, creating systems that are more power efficient per unit of compute. Here's the real kicker. This collaboration could be the beginning of the post-Nvidia era. Nvidia built the AI world we know today, but OpenAI might be building the world that comes next. When you control both the brain, models, and the body, hardware, of AI, you unlock a feedback loop where every new generation of software teaches the hardware how to evolve faster. Sam Altman called it a critical step in building the infrastructure needed to unlock AI's potential. Greg Brockman added that building their own chip lets OpenAI embed everything they've learned directly into hardware. And that's the point. They're not chasing performance alone. They're chasing integration, where the line between model and machine blurs. This is how you build the foundation for AGI, artificial general intelligence. And that's exactly what OpenAI and Broadcom are setting up. The AI race isn't just about who builds the smartest model anymore. It's about who controls the entire stack, from chip to cloud. If you think this move puts OpenAI one step closer to AGI, wait till you see what's coming next.